Hello guys, welcome back to the Amir's Lab. My name is Mohammed and I'm a professional web developer and designer. Guys, if you want to use a beautiful icon in your React projects, guys, you can use the Huge Icons library. It's a free icon library. You can use it in your React, Flutter and WordPress projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Huge Icons in your React project. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, we are here in our computer screen. So first of all, we are going to search the Huge Icons library in Google. So simply type huge icons. So as you can see, the huge icons is here. Open the link of huge icon. So guys, as you can see, the website is here, the huge icon library. So huge icon library is a modern icon library designed for designer and developer. Guys, you can use this library in multiple technologies like React, WordPress, Flutter, Native, React Native, Vue.js, Servlet, and AngularJS also. So first of all, we are going to install this library in our React project. So guys, the huge icons provide two methods of installation. First of all, you can use it with the CDN link, or second, you can install with the NPM also. So if you want to use with NPM, guys, simply type NPM huge icons. So guys, as you can see, the link is here. Simply open the link. So guys, as you can see, this is the NPM page of huge icons. So guys, if you want to install this icon library, simply copy this line and come back to the React project and simply paste it here. And guys, as you can see, the installation is complete. So we are going to use it. So after the installation, how we can use the icons in our React project. So guys, come back to the NPM website and guys, as you can see the examples like this. So simply copy this line of code and come back to the React project. And as you can see, I'm already making an example of this icon. So I'm going to explain it step by step. This line of code, guys, simply import the icon from huge icons, and this line of code, guys, simply render our icon at our page. So guys, if you want to use more icons in your React project, simply click on icons, search the icons like like battery, and simply copy the icon name like this and paste it in your React project. And simply, guys, copy this line of code also and paste it here. And simply, guys, copy the copy the icon name and change it with this icon name. And simply, guys, save it and then refresh your page. And guys, as you can see, the icon is here. So you can change the color also, like red to black, yellow to black. So guys, as you can see, our icon color have been changed. So guys, you can use a lot of icon in your React project like this. Guys, we can change the size of icon also. So if you want to increase the size, simply type size and add some value like 40. As you can see, our icon size have been changed. And guys, if you want to small this icon again, so guys, simply change the value from 40 to 30 and 30 to 20 like this. So guys, as you can see, our icon size have been changed. And guys, if you want to use this library as a free, simply click packages. And guys, as you can see, there are multiple packages here of different technologies like React, Vue, Flutter, Servlet, Angular, React Native. Guys, if you want to use this library as a free, simply click here. And guys, as you can see, when I click on use for free, the website redirects me on npmjs.com. If you want to use this library as a free, guys, simply copy this line and install it in your React project and use as a free. As if you want to use the pro version of this library, simply click on Pro Guide, and as you can see, the website redirects me on integration of React. And guys, if you want to use the pro version of this library in React, you can simply copy this line and paste it in your React project and use as a pro version of this library. And guys, if you want to buy a pro version of this library, guys, simply click on pricing. And guys, as you can see, there are three packages here like free, pro, and pro plus. Guys, when you buy yearly package, you can access all of these features like all pro icons, license keyboard, one seat user, all dev formats, Figma plugin, VS Code, WordPress plugin, web app, and project sheets. And guys, When you buy a Pro Plus package, you can access all of these features. And as you can see, Pro package have 5 seats, 25 seats also. So you can buy these packages according to your requirement. And if you want to buy a Pro Plus package, you can buy this according to your requirements also. As if you want to buy early base package, you can simply buy this. And if you want to buy a one-time payment package, you can simply buy this. So go and check out these pricing according to your requirement. So guys, if you have any query, please leave a comment also. And guys, if you think this video is very helpful to you, please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe the channel, The Amish Lab. Take care. Thank you. Bye.